Good afternoon, YouTube. Good afternoon, followers and travelers. I am trying to upload another video. I uploaded one earlier and had to take it down because I mentioned something in the title of the video that was not very happy with YouTube. So I took it down and I'm starting over. Anyway, for those of you out there that are concerned and wondering, yes, we're okay. We are sitting in the desert, being safe and very far away from each other so that we are following the United States government's guidelines and we are following the protocol given by our local government where we are camped. Yes, in some areas the BLM and Forest Service have closed parks and they have closed campgrounds, and at this point where we are, things are okay. The rangers come in a few times and has just totally ignored the people here because we are parked far enough away that we're not an issue, I think. I'm hoping we're all right because we are coming close to our 14-day stay. So we are separated, I guess what you call it, and sitting so that we're not spreading any kind of bugs or any kind of contagion. Anyway, we have some people in our group that are over 60 and some as old as plus 80, so we're being very careful who comes in and who doesn't, and there's only about 10 of us here, so we're pretty good in that regard. There's other people that we don't know, but they're far enough away that they're not an issue with us contracting any kind of bug. The stores here, our shelves are pretty bare, so when we want to go and get food, we will see what's available and get what we can, and some of us will go to some store and some of us will go to a different store and see what we can get, and we help each other that way. We are doing safety in numbers, but we're doing it at a distance. So far, like I said, nobody's sick. Everybody's healthy. I don't know when this is going to end. I know some of you are like worried and concerned. How long is this going to be? I don't know. Could be our new normal. We could get back to normal, what we consider normal. No one knows yet. We just got to wait and see. I do know that most of the news media out there is only telling you pieces and parts and half of what's really the truth and what's really not the truth. If you check with the CDC or the WHO, which is the World Health Organization, and the Centers for Disease Control, you will find the truth and the straight scoop on what's going on. Also check with your local health department in your state, which will give you an accurate count of how many cases are in your state and other things like that. Now, a lot of states are not doing testing, therefore you're not going to know the total number of cases. There could be people walking around that think they have the flu or they have allergies, and then they would not be tested, so nobody knows, and they could be a spreader or a carrier. So just play it safe. Do what the government's recommending. Wash your hands. Stay a safe distance away from people. If you've got a sneeze and cough, do it away from somebody, even if you're not sick, so that they don't feel threatened. If you know you are ill, stay out of public places. Just stay home, hunker down. I know this is difficult for a lot of us, but we're finding out this is different, and it's a little bit new. Anyway, this video is going to come up uncut and unedited, as was the previous one this afternoon. However, I did have to remove that one. I appreciate everybody that logged on to it, and hopefully this does not confuse the people that may log on a second time, but I appreciate it if you do. The other one was not monetized, and I'm needing the monetization to just pay for a little bit of gas here and there, so I took it down, and hopefully this one will be monetized. If not, it'll stay up there unmonetized. Hopefully it will. Anyway, everybody's cutting corners and everybody's doing what they can to stay safe and to make sure their neighbors are safe. Be respectful of your neighbors. Don't just think about yourself. Be respectful of your neighbors. Think of them and how they would feel and how you can help them out by not infecting them if you've been infected. Or, you know, don't be, you know, if the state says stay home, stay home. If the government's saying stay home, stay home. If it's a conspiracy, it is. If it ain't, it ain't. You know, I don't think so, but, you know, whatever. Anyway, follow your heart, embrace your dreams, and cherish your life. Get out there and do something fun today. Of course, you're going to have to do that inside your home or in your backyard, but do have some fun. Get your head out of the news media and go listen to something different and have a little fun. And we will hopefully see you the next time we can log on. Cell signal out here is really bad, so you may hear from me or you may not, but I'm okay. All right, thank you for your concern. Thank you for watching my videos. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell people about us, and check out that merchandise over on Teespring. It's pretty dang cool. And we'll catch you later. All right, Jake is also doing really good. Just throw that in for the last little measure. All right, we'll catch you later. All right, bye-bye.